Imagine spending thousands on rare, supposedly authentic artwork, only to discover you've been sold a bill of goods. That's precisely what happened to Jeremy Wagner, of Broken Hope fame, in a legal battle that just reached a dramatic conclusion. He's been awarded a default judgment against none other than the celebrated rock and metal photographer Ross Halfin. Halfin, a name synonymous with iconic imagery of rock legends like Metallica, AC/DC, and Iron Maiden, found himself on the receiving end of a lawsuit filed in late 2024. At the heart of the dispute? Four vintage Lynyrd Skynyrd prints from 1975 to 76 that Wagner purchased directly from Halfin. Wagner shelled out over $7,300 for these pieces, believing he was acquiring rare photographs taken by Halfin himself. But here's where it gets controversial. Wagner later discovered that only one of the four prints was actually Halfin's work. The other three? They were the creations of another photographer, Barry Plummer. And this is the part most people miss. Wagner alleged that Halfin didn't just sell the Plummer prints, he signed them, effectively passing them off as his own. This, Wagner claimed, constituted intentional fraud. A detailed retrospective on the case, published by George Chin, Wagner's legal representative in the UK, reveals a crucial turning point. Halfin reportedly failed to attend multiple hearings related to the lawsuit. Furthermore, Chin stated that Halfin's attorney allegedly admitted that all the facts of the case are true, thereby exposing Halfin to liability for consumer fraud under Illinois law, where Wagner resides. Given Halfin's alleged absence and the admission of truth, the court ruled in Wagner's favor, granting a default judgment. This judgment included compensatory damages, punitive damages, intended to punish Halfin for the alleged fraud, attorney's fees, and court costs. The total? A staggering $61,241, USD, or £47,108, GBP. This case raises some interesting questions about authenticity, artistic integrity, and the responsibility of artists when selling their work, or the work of others that they claim to be their own. Should Halfin have ensured the provenance of each print before selling it? Was the signing of the Plummer prints a deliberate act of deception, or simply an oversight? And what responsibilities do buyers have to verify the authenticity of valuable artwork before purchasing it? What are your thoughts? Do you believe the judgment was fair, or do you think there's more to the story than meets the eye? Let us know in the comments below.